Hello friends and welcome to my channel. We are seeing HTML series, basics of HTML, and in last video we seen introduction about HTML. What is HTML? What are the tags? And Now we are going to see the attributes of HTML. This, what is HTML? Sorry, what is attributes? So elements can have attributes. It's not compulsory. So without attributes we can define elements, such like we define now we define h1 tag here. So it's not compulsory with any element, but we provide any attribute to our HTML tag, so it will give additional information about our HTML element. And it's always specified in a start tag only. So if you don't know what is a start tag and end tag, so now I'm going to tell you. So this is a start tag, and end tag come with backslash. So how that we can identify that's. And uh, we will see the first about href attributes. Href attributes comes with only anchor tags. So what is anchor tag? Anchor tags, that are links only. So we can click on that, uh, go to that specific address, go to that URL. So this is used of anchor tags. And href tags, we can define that URL, so where to redirect that click. This is href tags. So we can define, we can put any text in that. So we can see anchor tag web page. And sorry, just this is my page, this is our anchor tag. So we can click on that, redirect user to any other web page, but we need to specify that where to redirect that user. So this is not compulsory, but if you want to redirect user to somewhere, so we need to put URL of that, defining the URL of that. So this is the URL of my website. And now we will see refresh our page, and this comes with underline. So how this we will redirect. So let's click on that. Of course, we need to specify https colon double slash, then it will redirect us. So now refresh the page and click on the link and go. It's redirect me to that URL, specific URL. Just a minute. We don't need HTTPS for that. So if you want to know about HTTPS and difference between HTTPS and HTTP, so I will create a new video on that. So just come back to this video, click on the link, it will redirect you to that specific URL. So this is the href attribute. So second attribute is src. So src so now come with img tag, img tag, and this is src attributes. So we can define put here the link of image, our image, so it will show the image on our browser. Also we can define width and height of our element by using width and height attributes. We can use alt attribute also. So alt attribute, when the browser can't find the path of image, so it will show the alternate text for user. So this is alt attributes. So also we can use a style attribute. One of the most useful attribute is style attributes. So we can style our element, so we will show the red color. Red color. So how this attribute works, I showed you. So welcome my next video. So please subscribe my channel and like my videos. I will show you different tags and basic of HTMLs. So thank you so much.